211,000. So Tom's week after week after week was just interrupted by a change in the direction and the amount for jobless claims. 211,000 is a pretty low number, but it is a significant change from the trend that we have been on, which was week after week after week of numbers coming in below estimates. I think 13 of the last 14 weeks we had jobless claims below the estimate. Well, the estimate was 195, so we're significantly above that at this point. Now we're looking to see if last week, I'm looking to see if last week was revised at all and revised higher, and I still don't have that number. There we go.
Continuing claims, but we
continuing
don't have
claims.
claims.
We should mention this because this is also a change. Continuing claims going up 1,718,000 from 1,649,000. So we are seeing people taking longer, perhaps, to get jobs, and this is going to be the kind of trend that the Fed and everybody who has been predicting a slowdown in the labor markets is going to be looking at. Now, what we don't know, of course, is whether this is going to continue, but we are anticipating that it should. It was an increase. The 211, by the way, was an increase of 21,000. They did not revise.
They did not revise. Okay, that helps.
The prior week.
Look, Mike, at the trend here in the 211. I'm going to say I'm doing this real quickly. I can't be like McKee folks. It gets me back to the end of December 2022 off of the set of 6, 7, 8 data points. Can you figure out state by state where that jump came from 190-ish out to 210?
You can on a delayed basis. Is the problem is we don't get.
Can a big state or a little state jump it out of whack?
Well, no, because you're looking at total claims here, but you're going to be looking at states that have the largest working age population, unless there were a strike or something in a plant in a company. So the week of February 18th, the prior week, it was New Jersey and Rhode Island with 2,500. It looks like those were the highest uninsured employment rates. The largest increases in claims for the week ending February 25th, which was last week. Massachusetts up 4,000, Rhode Island up 1,200, and New Jersey up 742,000. So yeah, you get a reaction.
So you get
there.
a little bit of state granularity.
Interestingly enough, California was down 2,800, and Kentucky was down 6,164. Ohio down, Michigan down. So the biggest states were seeing declines.
Right.
Kind of hard to put this all in perspective, because you would expect if we were seeing a lot of tech jobs to go away, that California would be leading the pack, and they are not at this point, although we do still have that whole thing about getting severance pay and that keeping you out of the claims market.